but I'll be on it always, always and forever.
Good morning, y'all. It's 11 something. Technically I woke up at 8, but I needed to wake up because I wasn't awake. But I want to do a little productive video today. I want to be productive. I've been cooped up for 2 weeks. 2 weeks it's been 2 weeks, close to 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. Either which way, I haven't been productive. I haven't done absolutely anything. I've literally just been cooped up. So cooped up playing video games. Yeah, my inner child's been coming out. Was in the mood to play video games, so I just been playing video games. But today I'm gonna do a little productive video. Happy Wednesday, by the way. I am gonna try to start posting every Wednesday instead of every other Wednesday. We'll see how that works out. I also don't really know if I'm gonna record outside while I'm being productive, because I do need to run some quick errands, so we'll see. But as of right now, I'm gonna eat this little bagel. I already had coffee. Might get some water later, but once I'm dressed and ready to go, I'll be back to tune y'all in or whatever. But yeah, well, I'm over here being shy. Still speak to y'all on the camera outside, but we outside. And I need to go to the bank, and then I need to go to the market, but I'm gonna go to the market on the way back. So we gonna see. But I'll put y'all on when I reach the bank. So yeah, 1 minute is hot, the next minute is cold. I'm at home. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. I'm about to chill for a little bit. I don't know why. I'm just tired from that walk. So I'll be back. I'll put you on to what I do next, because I'm not even done. Y'all, I'm low-key. I'm procrastinating, so I'm gonna just turn the camera on so I can stop procrastinating and do what I gotta do. But I made an order, and this guy couldn't find 2 things that I ordered, and he could have just really called me like my other Uber driver did. She called me to let me know what's up. This man didn't. So now I had to make a whole nother order trying to get the 2 things that he couldn't get. Mind you, he was taking forever, but I Uber eats my groceries when I'm too lazy to go outside, because I didn't want to go back outside. Don't come for me. We all do it. But did y'all know carnation milk come in a bottle? I didn't. But yeah, so I got carnation milk, I got cheese, strawberry. I'll probably show y'all the rest of what I get when it gets here, but now that's what I got. I do also gotta clean out this little closet of mine, so that's what we're gonna be doing, because I got a bunch of junk in here that I gotta go. So I'm basically just cleaning and emptying out my room in a sense, because I got junk I don't use, clothes I don't wear, stuff that I don't need, that it was either given to me and I just took it, or I legit bought it to try it, never used it. Yeah, but we gonna empty up the yeah. Well, I wash the strawberries. I got garlic. I wanted to try that little medicinal garlic honey thing that people been doing on TikTok. Forgot to get a mason jar, so